And welcome back to Khebra Driving Academy. We're back for part 2 of our special look on how to get your driver's license here in Qatar. Today we're going to be focusing on the practical side of things. Now this is everything from taking your actual test to what the instructors are going to teach you here at Khebra. So stay with us, we're going to get behind the wheel of a car. Don't worry, everyone's safe. We've got fully qualified instructors with us. Let's see how it goes down. So all behind the wheel training is provided to the students by fully qualified, licensed and certified professional education driving instructors, all of which have been certified by the Ministry of Interior's Traffic Department. So you're in good hands. So Khebra Driving Academy offers a number of different packages, and of course one of them is the VIP package, which means you're going to get a bigger vehicle to train you on the roads for Qatar. Let's see what it's like. Well, there you have it, guys. We've taken you behind the scenes on how to actually get your driver's license here in Qatar. Thanks to the guys from Khebra Academy, we've learned a lot about the actual process. Now remember, it's going to be different for everybody, depending on what your job description is, what your nationality is, and what your budget is. So we recommend you get in touch with the guys here at Khebra for a bit more advice on what the procedure is. We've given you as much as we can give you. Good luck, and we'll see you on the roads. Stay safe.